Geological change. The places where tectonic plates meet are called plate boundaries. Geological change happens at plate boundaries. This is because the tectonic plates are always moving. Some of the geological change is very slow. It happens over millions of years. But some of the geological change is very sudden and violent. This illustration shows the plate boundaries around the edge of the Pacific Ocean. There are many geological changes and events, such as volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, here. This area is often called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Fold mountains. Sometimes, when tectonic plates move together, the rocks crumple and fold upwards. The mountains that this produces are called fold mountains. This can happen under the ocean or on land. The newest fold mountains are between 10 and 25 million years old. These include the Himalayas in Asia and the Rocky Mountains in North America. The oldest fold mountains are more than 200 million years old. These include the Ural Mountains in Russia. Plates moving together. One plate may slide underneath the other one. This is called subduction. The rocks in the Earth's crust melt as they move into the mantle. They become part of the mantle, plates moving apart. As tectonic plates drift away from each other, they break and crack when they become too thin. Lava, liquid rock, erupts from the mantle and hardens to form new crust with new rocks. This causes a volcano, plates sliding past. Because the plates are very large and heavy, there is a lot of friction between the plates. Over the years, this makes the plates stick together. There is always force on the tectonic plates, so the pressure builds up and eventually the pressure causes violent movement. This is an earthquake. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are usually formed at the plate boundaries when magma from the mantle rises up through cracks in the Earth's crust. At the Earth's surface, magma erupts to form lava flows and ash deposits. Magma is the name for liquid rock when it is underground. Lava is the name for liquid rock when it is on the surface. The lava and ash harden as they cool to form new rocks. So each time the volcano erupts, it gets bigger. Earthquakes. Some earthquakes are extremely violent and cause a lot of damage. Some are so slight that they only register on scientific instruments. The size or magnitude of the earthquake depends on the size of the faults at the plate boundaries and how far the rocks move when the earthquake happens. In the largest earthquakes, the rocks can move tens of meters in seconds. Sometimes, if the magma is really thick and contains dissolved gas, pressure builds up and the eruption is violent. Gases and rocks shoot up through the opening. Violent eruptions can even cause avalanches and earthquakes, and tsunamis, if the volcano is close to the sea. Some volcanoes are active and may erupt at any time. Some volcanoes are inactive or dormant, which means they have not erupted for a very long time. Other volcanoes are extinct, which means they will not erupt again.